A torque test on LED light bulb is a must during the inspection for LED bulbs. A digital torque meter is available at every LED bulb manufacturer to facilitate the inspectors testing the torque value out of the samples they pick. Here is a short video clip. The lamp base should be inserted inside the socket and slowly apply force to turn the lamp clockwise. Stop turning when the reading reaches over 3 Nm, which means it passes the torque test for E27 or E26 lamp bases. Generally, there are 2 major torque test standards for the light bulbs: the standard for the USA and the standard for the European market. The different torque values are also set for different types of lamp bases. For example, E39 or E40 has higher torque requirements of 4 Nm.